In a world that never stops moving, we often forget to listen. Not to the noise, but to the whispers of nature. And among these whispers is a quiet green miracle, growing unnoticed, underestimated, but filled with life-changing power. It's called the miracle leaf, Bryophyllum pinnatum. Known as the leaf of life in the Caribbean, Gertie plant in Europe, and Pathakata in India. This single plant has crossed cultures and continents, not because of marketing, but because of results. It doesn't just grow, it gives. The power of the miracle leaf. Let's pause for a moment, not to be impressed, but to be inspired. This plant doesn't need fancy soil or special care. It can grow from a single fallen leaf. That's resilience. And just like it, we too can grow, even after we've fallen. Here's what this green miracle can do for you. Kidney stones. Crushed leaf juice or simple tea can naturally break them down. Chronic cough or asthma. Its anti-inflammatory compounds help soothe the lungs and open airways. Wounds, cuts, burns. Place the crushed leaf on skin and watch it accelerate healing. Boosting immunity. Packed with flavonoids, antioxidants, and antibacterial agents, it's like armor for your cells. I started drinking miracle leaf tea every morning, and now I breathe easier. Here's the truth. You don't need a miracle pill. What you need is to believe in the power that nature placed all around you. Right now, as you listen, this humble leaf is growing in some forgotten field, some backyard corner, some tiny pot on a windowsill. And it holds more healing than many of us will ever realize. The miracle leaf isn't just about physical health. It's about awakening something ancient inside us. Something that says, I don't need to wait for wellness to come from a bottle. I can begin healing today with what the earth has already provided. Nature, resilience, healing. Let this be your reminder that miracles don't always roar. Sometimes they grow quietly, leaf by leaf, until one day you realize you've changed. Stronger, calmer, healthier. Let nature be your guide. Let the miracle leaf be your start. Your healing is not a future event. It begins now. Subscribe for more natural wisdom, and let's grow together.